Hello everyone, welcome to Applied Forensic Research Sciences MCQ Times Part 36. Topic Forensic Biology, written by Muskan Mehra, presented by Mir Araiba. So the first question is, which instrumentation is used for detecting color in tube test? Option A, spectrophotometer. B, microscopy. C, chromatography. D, none of the above. And the correct option is A, spectrophotometer. Question number 2 is, the Phadebas reagent was manufactured by Pharmacia in which form? A, powder. B, gel. C, tablets. D, tube. And the right option is C, tablets. The question number 3 is, in radial diffusion test, the size of iod is A, inversely proportional to amount of amylase. B, directly proportional to amount of amylase. C, directly proportional to amount of starch. D, none of above. And the correct option is B, directly proportional to amount of amylase. Question number 4 is, in iodine test, the blue color appears due to A, breaking of fats. B, breaking of salts. C, breaking of amylase. D, breaking of starch. And the correct option is C, breaking of amylase. The question number 5 is, the amount of salt excreted by a human in a day is A option 1 to 1.5 liter. B, 2 to 3 liter. C, 0.5 to 1 liter. D, 4 to 5 liter. And the correct option is A, 1.1 to 1.5 liter. The question number 6 is, the mean substance detected in saliva tests is option A, sucrase. B, maltase. C, ptyalin. D, hydrolases. And the correct option is C, ptyalin. The question number 7 is, the amylase present in humans is A, option A, alpha. B, beta. C, gamma. D, none of the above. And the correct option is A, alpha. Question number 8. Which DNA loci of codes for amylase present in saliva? Option A, AME1. B, AMC1. C, AMI1. D, AMY1. And the correct option is D, AMI1. The question number 9 is, the Phadebas reagent test is qualitative. B, quantitative. C, both A and B. D, none of the above. And the correct option is C, both A and B. Question number 10. RSID test stands for A, rapid stain identification. B, rapid saliva identification. C, rapid stain identity. D, ready stain identification. And the correct option is A, rapid stain identification. Thank you.